Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with my total knee replacement exercises level 2. Make sure you check out level 1 first, of course, and then after about 6 to 8 weeks after you've done level 1 and you've done it successfully without any pain, then you're ready to go to level 2 at 6 to 8 weeks. And let me know if you've gotten anything out of these exercises. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you've gotten anything out of this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.
Start in a standing position holding on to a chair. Stand on one leg and keep your thighs pressed together. Then bring your heel up towards your bottom. Hold briefly and then return to the starting position. Stand on a stair or a step. Now, carefully bend your affected leg so that you can take your other leg off the step and move it down to the step below. Return back to the starting position by stretching your affected leg and bringing your other leg back up to the starting position. Lie on your stomach with your legs stretched out and a pillow underneath your thighs. Bend one knee by bringing your foot up towards your buttocks. Hold this position for the required duration, and then return to the starting position. Start in a seated position with your legs stretched out in front of you with a towel under your affected knee. Keep your toes upwards and extend your knee by tightening your thigh muscles. Sit upright, your shoulders back and down. Extend one leg out in front of you. Flex the knee back to the neutral position and switch legs. Extend the leg out and then flex.